A quick update warning: I will be buying. Stay calm. Do not get fearful. If you've done your research and you know the companies you own, this will be a great buying opportunities for these companies. That's really all I've been buying. Show you my receipts right here. I show the receipts. We've been buying Nebius. I bought the 29th and 28th yesterday. I bought some more in my Roth. So I'm buying Nebius. We're back to the 140s, 150, 160s. I'm scooping up shares. So the software has been holding up a little better than the AI trade this past week or two. So it's getting me a little excited that software is trying to break out again. I did get a bullish trigger for Zeta yesterday too. And today, man, like today, it popped. It popped. Like it's showing a lot of good strength. What's up, family? With the J Russ TV, to my channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. We cover all things AI, business, investing, and self-improvement content. Watch some old videos if that's something y'all interested in. Why portfolio, all those things. Right now, we're gonna start a portfolio update. This is a warning. We're getting a bit of a crash here in certain stocks, not the overall market. But in certain sectors, certain industries, we're getting a crash right now. So let's go ahead and get into what is it looking at right now? Because things getting a little ugly out there, guys. Not gonna lie, things getting ugly out there. Fear and greed, we're at 32. We're in fear. Well, we've been in fear for the past month or so, so we're cool. We were in greed a year ago, though. When it comes to the VIX, VIX is up 13% today. Some things that happen in the market, what's causing the sell-off. This is a quick little update for y'all guys because aftermarket is looking nasty. Sharp sell-off, a combination of hawkish Federal Reserve decisions, climbing bonds, and escalating geopolitical tension in the Middle East. Yeah, we ended day. The Nasdaq close to almost 10% down. S&P down about 2.5%. We were in correction territory for the Nasdaq for sure. Like I said, the hawkish Federal Reserve, not Jerome Powell, Warsh, the new FOMC, they voted 9-3 to leave benchmark interest rate unchanged, which is good. I don't know why the market is reacting like that because they left rates unchanged, so that's decent. But yeah, the bond yields are going up as well. The 30-year surged to 5.21%. That's not good. We got Middle East escalation and commodities, the conflict. Oh yeah, oil's going back up. Trump and them, they got that going back again. So oil surged 7% above 88 a barrel. That's not that good for the markets either. And then overall, this tech realignment, AI leaders continue to face heavy rotation amid skepticism regarding massive data center capital expenditures. Yeah, South Korea's index plus 6%. A lot of people are getting liquidated, so it's just really nasty right now. We got a lot of circular financing coming back into the market as well. Those TARPs with NVIDIA backing like half of OpenAI's new data center. We just had earnings today for Meta, Microsoft, Hood. So the portfolio getting spanked. Not gonna lie, those are some of my positions. Meta down 10%. Meta down. NVIDIA's down 4%. Meta's down 11%. AMD is down almost 7%. SoFi 10% in a day. SoFi had decent earnings. Wall Street sold this off so bad. So bad. So bad. I'm still in it. I trimmed though to put in Nebius, but Nebius down 14% today. On the month, this drink got chopped in half, man. In a month. Like what? In a month, man. In a month. But that's the market for you. That's the market. That is the market. Elf still doing pretty good. So yeah, with Zeta, we did see a sharp move this morning. We breached almost 23. As you can see, it's down 3% after hours. But software, specifically Zeta, has been doing pretty good these past couple of days. Let me bring up my my trading view too. We can get a better look at that actually. But yeah, it's been rising pretty well over the past couple of days. They just got $1 billion line of credit. They just did a new hire today. So we got some interesting things playing out with Zeta. Earnings is next week on August 4th. So I may be live streaming that as well. I'm excited. So the software has been holding up a little better than the AI trade this past week or two. So it's getting me a little excited that software is trying to break out again. I did get a bullish trigger for Zeta yesterday too. And today, man, like today, it popped. It popped. Like it's showing a lot of good strength. So I'm hoping that we can stay in the $22 to $24 range. So by the time we get the earnings, I know it's gonna be the beat and raise. We should have a good quarter. We can bump up to 26 plus, maybe 30s after earnings. But who knows? I've been in like for a year. Woo! The amount of quarters I thought we was out of here, man, and we sold right off back to 17. So could take a little longer. Meta had earnings. They missed EPS. Spanked. They missed EPS, and Wall Street just threw it out. No one has loved Meta over this past year. It's been flat. I'm still adding little by little. So we're going to see. And then AMD, my darling, my heart, down 20%, 23% on the month. Still up 30% in the past 3 months. But I'm not worried, guys. Y'all know what I've been doing. Let me show y'all what I've been doing. That's really all I've been buying. Show you my receipts right here. You know, I show the receipts. We've been buying Nebius. You know, I bought the 29th and 28th yesterday. I bought some more in my Roth. So I'm buying Nebius. We're back to the 140s, 150, 160s. I'm scooping up shares. And if we go a little lower, I might gotta unload. I might gotta load up a couple more. I might try to make that into like a Zeta type position. Zeta's the biggest, the first company I put the most money in, capital wise, pure cash. Nebius is my second. AMD is my third. Yeah, I think that's about accurate. Yeah, so I might try to get that to a Zeta type capital allocation. We'll see how long the market keeps us down. You know, we can go up 20% in a month, really, but we'll see. Let's look at some quick little technicals. Mainly just want to look at Zeta because I did get a bullish trigger right here. Confirmed. My confirmed bullish diamond trend was confirmed last night. So when we're looking at, these are some things I was working on. Let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart, you see we had that big pump, almost a 23. We came back down. On the weekly chart, you see we have been climbing. I've been using these tools as well just to see how much we've ran. We've ran about, no, it's not that one, it's this one. We ran about 12%. From these lows, I think. Yeah, Tuesday to 28th. Yeah, so that was yesterday. 12% right there. And I can't see the rest because now on the monthly, as I can see on the monthly, we did break out of this trend right here. We were a downtrend. We did break over that 2050, and we've been hovering in the 20s for a little minute now, which is getting my hopes up. You know, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see just some quick analysis. And I did mark up the chart. Let me just show y'all this and then we out. For I was just looking to see how fast Zeta can really run if we got moving. And from what's this? October 2023 to October 2024. We ran up 360% in a year, as y'all can see right there. We ran up a lot. 360% in a year. Now, if we go from, let's say, right here, June 2024 up to October 2024. So that's what, all of June, all of July, all of August, all of September. That's 4 months. We did 120% in 4 months. 124% in 4 months. You know, really like three. Cause I think I did it three. They like 100% in 3 months. So when Zeta gets to moving, it can move pretty quickly. That's in like 3-4 months. It can move 120%. That's a quick double up. So not saying that's what we're going to see, but it's done it before. Why can't I do it again? But just want to give you a quick update. Warning, I will be buying. Stay calm. Do not get fearful. If you've done your research and you know the companies you own, this will be a great buying opportunities for these companies. I'm nibbling on Nebius. If I didn't have a sort of big AMD position already, I'd probably be nibbling on AMD already. But mainly Nebius, since software is holding up pretty better. I'm not going to really add to Zeta right now. I already have my leaps. I already have my shares. Nebius, I'm nibbling some more. You feel me? Don't panic. J-Rose TV, we out.